Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. My name is Ahana, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this blue smoky eye look. This look is actually a recreation of one of my looks that I created a very long time ago. This was the original picture, and these were the smoky eyes that I created. It is from 11th July 2017, and one of my followers requested me to do this look. Her name is Loreal. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Please forgive me if I'm butchering your name. Put her Instagram handle in the description box, so do check her out. I love you so much for requesting me to recreate this look. I used really affordable products to create this look because that's the only thing I owned at that point. And you will be kind of shocked when you see what I use. If you want to know how I recreated this blue smoky eye, then please keep on watching, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, let's keep on watching. Starting off, I'm going to be doing my brows off camera. Taking this L'Oreal Kajal, I'm going to use this as a base for my blue eyeshadow. So I'm placing this all over my eyelid, but I'm making sure to keep it as close to the lash line as possible. This can be messy because we are going to be blending it out. So I'm using my fingers for this step. Taking this baked mono eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution in the shade Blue Planet, I'm going to take it over that base that we put already. This is a really gorgeous shade. I'm going to be putting it all over that base, but only on the 1/3. Now I'm taking the blue shade from the Maybelline Rock Nudes palette, because at that time I didn't own any other palettes which had the shade blue. And I'm going to apply that wherever we left off the other blue and give it that ombre effect. And then taking that purple shade on a tapered blending brush, I'm going to concentrate it on the outer third of my eyes just to blend everything out. I'm taking the Wet n Wild palette for the transition shade because I used the normal Maybelline Nudes palette for it earlier, but I have actually run out of the transition shade in there, so I used this one. The shades are pretty similar, and I'm going to blend it all out using a couple of blending brushes. Now going in with the Maybelline Quads, I'm going to take this silvery shade and put it on the inner corners of my eyes to brighten them up. Now taking a makeup wipe, I'm just going to clean all the fallout and sharpen up the eye look. Now taking the matte black shadow from the same palette, I'm taking it on a pencil brush and using it to create a smoky black eyeliner. I'm going to do my false lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Moving on to the face, I'm using this Maybelline Master Prime Blurring Primer. This will give us that flawless look by blurring out all our pores and imperfections. For foundation, I'm going in with the combination of the Maybelline Superstay and the L'Oreal True Matte Foundation. After dotting it on my face, I'm going to use the Romare Cosmetics Marshmallow Sponge to just blend everything out. All the shades of the products will be listed in the description box, so make sure to check that out. For concealer, I'm using this PAC Spotlight Concealer in the shade Nutcracker. Using a full coverage concealer will help to conceal those dark circles so that our eyes don't look like panda eyes. Again, using the marshmallow sponge to just blend everything out. And for the areas that I cannot reach with the sponge, I'm going to use this brush and just blend everything out. For powder, I'm going in with the usual Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm just going to bake under my eyes to make sure that we don't crease. And then I'm just going to set the rest of my face. Switching things up, I did my lower lash line off camera, put on some jewelry and changed my outfit. And now we're going to move on to contouring our face, for which I'm using this sugar bronzer. And I'm just going to go in light motions to add some depth and definition to my face. I'm putting it on the forehead, the hollows of my cheeks, and I'm also going in over my collarbones just to give them a bit more depth. For blush, I'm using this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, and using a stippling brush, I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Using a stippling brush will control the amount of product that you put, so even if the product is really pigmented, you can just sheer it out using this brush. It's just me, myself and I. Solo ride until I die, 'cause I got me for life. After all that fun, we are gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. And I'm just gonna wet my face before I move on to highlighter so that it sticks on better. For highlighter, I'm going in with this one by Nykaa in the shade Glitterati, and I'm gonna put it on the high points of my face. I've seen that when I apply highlighter on wet skin, it tends to look more pigmented and give a better glow and not anything which is chalky. I'm also applying it all over my collarbones and also my inner corner to brighten them up. For lipstick, I'm going in with the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance, and this does look a little bit darker than what I'm wearing, but I know that I only owned this nude lipstick, and I remember what I used to do as a trick. I used to take some tissue paper and then separate it into thinner sections so that it's not too thick, and then taking Johnson's baby powder, I would put it on my lips to just mattify the lipstick as well as lighten it up. And hence this is what I'm doing. Now just compare it to the hand swatch. Look how much lighter it is. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I surely had a ton of fun recreating it. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.